Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, poo. So in today's video, well, for the whole month of February, I'm reviewing nothing but black-owned products. So if there's some products you want me to review, go ahead and let me know in the comments so I can check them out. So the first video I'm going to do is my company, of course, and it's Nubian Queen Cosmetics. So I sell lip gloss, lip oils, aromatherapy oils, lashes, handmade soaps, all that. So I'm gonna show you the colors I have, and so this is my eucalyptus lip oil. This is one of my aromatherapy oil bottles with a crystal. This is amethyst. And then I'm gonna show you all my colors range from, it's a wide variety, to be honest with you. So I have this nude gloss. It's called Nubian Nude. And this is our Stunner gloss. Then this is our new creation. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet. So we have 3. Then this is, of course, Black Girl Magic. Then this is my newest one, which I have on my lips. She hasn't been named yet. And then, of course, this is Macchiato Mommy. So we have 6 nudes so far. And I will be adding 6 more by the time I launch my summer collection. And then we do have this baby. She looks very similar to Fenty's Diamond Milk. If you want an innocence dupe, there you go. Then, of course, my fave is the Ice Me Out gloss. All my glosses are pigmented. I will show a video so y'all can see them. And then here is my Heartbreaker gloss for my Valentine's collection. And I am selling Valentine's Day boxes. Here's a little preview. I gotta fix my wrapping. But, yes. So if y'all ever, and I will be doing wholesale orders come the summertime, and the 6 glosses that y'all seen plus the 6 more new glosses I will launch over the summer. They will be sold year round, so it's gonna be 12 new brown glosses. Any shade of brown skin can wear them. And I'm not gonna single anybody out. Any non-melanated women can wear them as well. So I did make me a turmeric soap. I've been using it for like a week. I like it. I made me a turmeric scrub to go with it. We're gonna see how my skin does. Oh, and you can get matching scrubs to go with it. So all my glosses are $4, and the 15 milliliters is gonna be 6, and then the wine tubes will be 8. So like, it's very inexpensive. So y'all can follow me on Instagram at Nubian Q Cosmetics, Twitter at Nubian Queen Cos, C-O-S, and on Facebook as Nubian Queen Cosmetics. If y'all know anybody that do logos, go ahead and let me know. So like I said in the beginning, if y'all know any black-owned products, companies y'all want me to review, go ahead and let me know. That's all I'm posting this month. Always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.